Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve another SQL question from LeetCode website. And the name of this problem is biggest single number. And today is our day 76 of 100 days of SQL challenge where I will be solving one SQL question each day. And I hope you guys are also solving one SQL question with me to practice SQL. And we are doing SQL 50 series where we today we are solving easy level problem. So let us read this problem and try to solve this. So I have this my numbers table where I have only one column, that is num, and the data type of this is integer. Now this table may contain duplicates. In other words, there is no primary key for this table in SQL, right? So this num column values can be duplicate and they can be null as well, right? Each row of this table contains an integer, right? A single number is a number that appeared only once in my number table. Okay, so we have this my number table, and single number is the one which appeared only one time. So for example, this 8 appeared two times, this 1 appeared one time, this 4 appeared one time, this 5, and this 6, right? Now what we need to do is we need to find the largest single number. If there is no single number, then we have to report null. Okay, so out of the numbers that are only appearing one time, we have to find out the largest number between them. So for example, here this 1, 4, 5 and 6, they are repeating only one time, and the largest between these numbers is 6. So we are the output that we need is that 6, right? And now we have another input table as well. So here there is no number which is only repeating one time, so that's why in that case we have to return null. Okay, so let us try solve this question. So I can say from this my numbers table select, I want to select this num column, right? So let me run this first. Okay, so now I have this output, and now I can count basically the this num column and tell whether uh, this number is repeating how many times. So here we can do count, and let me write it in capital letters. So count this as, let's say, CNT, and we have to, here we are doing aggregation, so we have to also do group by this num column. And let me run this. Okay, so now we have num and the number of times that number is repeating. So I only want where this count is 1, so I can use the filter condition, and whenever you are filtering on aggregation, you have to use having clause. So what I can say is having this count this should be equals to 1, and now when I run, I will only get those numbers which are repeating only one time. Okay, so now 1, 4, 5 and 6, these are repeating only one time. Now we have to do order by this number column in descending order, so that this highest number can be at first row, right? So here we can say order by this num in descending form, right? And now we'll get the highest number on top row. Yeah, so as you can see, now 6 is on top row. So now I can say that I can use the top n function. So top, and n I only want the first row, so I can say top 1. And now we don't need this CNT in the output, we need only that number, so we can remove this part as well. This was only to show you people. Yeah, so now it gets accepted, but only one case is accepting, this case is not accepting. Why? Because when I'm doing this num and the count, each number is repeating two times, so there are no such number which is only repeating one time, so that's why there is no such number, and it is returning nothing. But it, in that case, we have to return null. So what we can do is we can use the coalesce function in that case. So I can say select coalesce, right, and here I can say null, right, and here, sorry, and now let me run this. What's the problem? So we are not getting this num as, okay, let me see what's the problem. Okay, so we have to give alias as num, right? So here it is returning us the correct output, but here, as you can see, here it is not returning the alias, so we have to say that as null, as num, sorry. And let me run this again. Now this time it will get accepted. Yeah, so let me just quickly submit this code as well. And guys, if you are liking my videos, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment as well. And if you don't understand anything, ask in the comment section, and please practice one SQL question each day so that you can be really good in SQL and crack your SQL interviews. And again, thank you so much for watching this video.